1. Cut the plastic drink bottle just below the neck. Recycle the top portion. It's not needed for this project. 2. Attach the cup to the top of the bottle. Center it, making sure that it doesn't touch the sides. Then tape it in place in 4 even spaces around the cup. Use plenty of tape to maintain distance between the edges of the bottle and the cup. 3. Add the plant material. Drop the pieces of plant or berries down the edges of the bottle, in the gap between the bottle and the hanging cup. 4. Fill the bottle with water. Take care not to spill water into the cup. Don't fill right to the top, leave a little room for expansion. Use almost boiling water if you want the ice to be clear. Add some weight to the cup if it floats up despite your taping. Stones or sand will do. 5. Place the assembly in the freezer, or outdoors, on a cold enough night. Leave overnight or longer to freeze completely. 6. Remove from the freezer. Remove the cup and gently slip the frozen part out of the container. If it's stubborn, run a little warm water over the bottle exterior for a few seconds, then try again. Place the frozen light holder on a plate or display stand. 7. Add the candle to the hole created by the cup. You can use a tea light candle or a thick small vertical candle. Light the candle, it may help to have a long match or lighter. 8. Display. There will be a gentle and warming glow coming from the ice light.